So let me give you an example for the other table that you're going to complete on the chapters 5 and 6 assignment, which is the customer analysis table. All right. And this is very similar to parts of what you completed in the other table, but it's basically uh, looking at just the how you're going to segment the market, how you're going to uh, the basically the target market or markets that you're going to target. And so in this case, for my fishing gear business in Mountain View, again, age 18 to 30, gender, male, location within a 20-mile radius of Mountain View, income level $40,000 to $100,000 per year, social class, occupation, middle income professional, education level, college graduates. And then there are two columns at the bottom that you can use for the segmenting the market based on a specific uh, attribute that your particular product that you're selling has. For example, in the fishing gear market, there are different types of fish species that you could offer gear for. In my case, I'm choosing bass and crappie. So basically, I'm focusing in on selling bass and crappie gear rather than other fish species like trout and catfish and so forth. Okay. So again, and if I had another target group or target customer or target market that I was also going to target with my promotional efforts, then I would list that under target customer group 2. And there, I've given you three different tables there that you can fill out if you have more than one targeted group that you're going to target your product to. Okay, so that just kind of gives you an idea as to what I'm looking for. Now, I've given you these examples, but I do not want you to just copy the information and the wording that I used on mine. I want you to come up with your own words, your own information on these tables. Okay. And I'm going to be looking for that. So please do not just copy what I gave you in the examples. Come up with your own information. Okay. Because it's going to be your own unique business that you're going to be using as the basis of your business plan. So it's not, a lot of the things are not going to be the same as what I gave you on this example. Okay. All right. So just kind of keep that in mind, but be sure you're using your own words and information. I just thought this would kind of help you to guide you in the right direction if you uh, uh, weren't able to understand what to include in the tables. Okay. All right. So let me go back to the activities page. So again, the two tables that you're going to complete as part of the questions for chapters 5 and 6 assignment are listed under additional resources.